Hi, my name is Andreas de Jong. In the previous video, I showed you how to make elevation area capacity curves for reservoirs using QGIS. Now, some of you have been having a couple of problems with the methodology, so I've updated the Python script, I've added a couple of quality control features, and I've also added the ability to export to CSV and Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get started. Okay, today I want to show you the updated Reservoir Stage Calculator. What we need to do is to load the Python console, click on this little button here to show the editor, load the script by pressing the Open Script button, double click. Let's get rid of the empty one. Okay, we're all good to go. Now what we have here is a DEM of the project area, and the maximum flooded area of the reservoir has been cut out of it. But a mistake that some of you have been making is that you use a geographic coordinate system. You haven't projected it yet, and that doesn't work because for the calculations we need to have projected DEMs. Let's run it to see what happens. And basically it'll stop the script and tell you that you need to reproject to projected TRS using meters. Now some of you have projected the DEM but are using feet rather than meters. Now this makes some problems because not only are there different feet between the US and the UK, but even within the United States you have two different types of feet. So let's stop using feet altogether. If we run the script, we'll get an error immediately, and it also asks you to reproject to a CRS using meters. Okay, so now here we have a reservoir DEM in UTM 36 South. It's, I think, from Zimbabwe. So it's in meters. We run it and we can enter the minimum elevation, the maximum elevation, the increment value. And there is an additional function now. We can also export the results to a file. Note that we have the table already loaded here, but if we say yes, we're going to export it either as a CSV or as an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to stick it on the desktop and press save, replace it, and it tells us once it's saved it and also how many levels there are. Okay, let's have a look at the output file. All the data is in an Excel sheet, converted into a table. Let's get rid of the filter buttons and also make it a little bit more boring in gray and white. Okay, our data is ready and formatted as a table in Excel. I hope you've enjoyed this little video and see you in the next one.